Welcome to another Animate video. I've drawn a line here. You can see the line. If we take a look at the line tool, we can see what it's got. 11 width, regular star, regular width. So pretty basic. Now you can actually use this thing, which is called the width tool, and that will actually be able to change some elements of it, right? And then you can make it. This is like quite a common thing, I think, if you wanted to divide it into those two sort of leaf sections there. I should be able to just just make it actually look like a leaf. So you could do something like that, right? You could also do another keyframe. You got to remember with keyframes, right, is that keyframes can quite easily, especially with shapes, you can really just like get it to do whatever you want, you know. So for instance, we don't have to do a full keyframe. We could do F7 for an empty one here. There you go. And we could just do another line here. I think it's in the same place, right? And we just shape tween that. So we could get back to a different spot, right? Another thing you could do potentially with this approach is if we did here, you can do another blank keyframe. All right, so what can we do with a line? I was just thinking how to change it to what I want. So the way that I might do that is actually do a blank keyframe here and kind of like to do like a fake one, like a fake line that's actually a rectangle. I wonder if that will tween properly. It should do, right? See, the advantage of doing it that way is that now you can actually do the things that you want with. We'll do another blank. It should tween a little bit better to the full, the full caboodle here. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, you see now it does, right? Whereas if you try and do it with the line, it doesn't really work properly. So that's basically one way. If you want to go from a line to a larger shape, it's best just to do it like that.